Hej YouTube! I dag er vi her med Scorpy Gaming, og jeg vil spille lidt CSS. Okay. Så vil jeg spille noget CSS. Let's rock and roll. Oj, 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 oj. Oj, oj. Fuck. Yes. What the fuck? Shotgun. Oh my god. Ingen shotgun. Så er jeg tabt. Okay, camp. Camping time. Okay. Det er min spray, og den sutter max. Nej, skid mig, skid. Jeg gider ikke have en noob, så han... No! Ingenting. Fucking lortesø. Hvis man ikke kan flyve, så det fandme var den dårligste server. Hvis man ikke kan flyve, så bliver jeg sur. Tø. Luk røven. Oh my god, man. Fucking hacker. Jeg ved du hvad, jeg synes heller ikke, du skulle være i live, men det er ikke bare noget, jeg kan lave om på, vel? Så jeg synes bare lige, du skulle til at lukke røven, ikke også? Men fucking hacker. King op. Pisset. Selv skal så synes bedst. Jamen. Lugter røven, din gammel ged, mand. Shotgun. Oh ja. Sådan der. Nu påner jeg. Nu kan jeg ikke dø. Jeg er uvindelig. Det uvindelige og univers. Jeg er ikke noob. I believe I can fly. What the fuck, så starter alle mine kills, din fucking noob. Oh my god, man. What the fuck is point with life? What is point with the computers? What the fuck is point with Earth? Why the hell did God make this shit? I don't understand you. Fuck you, God. You suck. Well, that's nothing I can do. Can you just... Luk nu røven. Fuck, det er et grimt billede, det der. Oh fuck, det er et grimt billede. Det mindste skal jeg finde ud af tale i stedet for. Du er måske grim. Jeg ved det ikke helt, men du er måske grim. Jeg er ikke helt sikker. What? Jeg kom bare. Med sådan en fucking lortevåben. Fuck, jeg bliver pånet nu. Så kommer Headmasteren. Begynder jeg at gå tur nu. Fuck nu, du skal bare dø. I have a plan. No, I don't. It's just the point with life. No. That was freaking awesome. Let's see if these kids are ready for me. No. Camper. Noob. Oh my god, camping, that is the worst. I hate people that camp. Headshot, bitch. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oof. Oof. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, bitch. Down with you. Down. M16. Okay. Oh, just. Fuck you. Oh, damn it. 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 Hvem er nu bøsse? Oh, damn it. Triple kill. Oh my god. I'm gonna suck your penis. Gonna kill you all with pain. Damn, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared! Run from my lives. Run! I am scared. I hate you. You're going to die, Cakes. You're going to die. Grenade. Shh. He's there. Shh. He's coming. No, you took my grenade. Fuck you. Fuck you. My grenade. Oh. Run. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Shit, Sherlock, shit, Sherlock, shit. Sherlock, no. Oh, he's there, he's right there. Piece of shit. I hate this game. Haha. Okay, let's try this weapon. Damn it, down. No. I hope I can fly now. Couldn't. Shit. Yeah, that's nice. Fuck you all. Well, this game sucks, but I think I'm gonna end this episode here because this game sucks really a lot. Fuck you all. I'm gonna die again, am I? Fuck you. Yeah, of course. Just me. Fuck this game. Okay, people. Thank you for watching. It means a lot to me when you guys see my videos. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you. Bye.